Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find forgotten Facebook password on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you have forgotten your Facebook password, so let's see how can you find that. First of all, you just have to open your Google app, and here just tap on your profile in the top left corner. Then tap on manage your Google account, and from here just select security and sign in, or you'll get password manager here. Just tap on it, and here you'll just have to look for Facebook, and here just open settings if you have a lot of settings on your Facebook. So here you must have to enter any pattern of your phone. Once you have that, just enter your pattern here and you'll get your password. So that's how you can easily find your forgotten Facebook password on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.